Hey everybody, so here we are back with the Lenovo ThinkCenter all-in-one. Took the little back cover off here, and it actually has a solid state drive. So for everybody out there says, put a solid state, they never fail. Well, this one failed, or at least it's corrupt. We'll find out if the data can be recovered once we clear up our... Got there. My Rapid Spire's been recovering a drive there for almost a week. I'm gonna have to interrupt that to squeeze this one in. So I'm gonna take that out. So here we're gonna install a new drive, reinstall Windows 10, and hopefully we can get the data off of that other drive. As far as this disassembly, if you wanted to know. Basically, this was a pretty simple. This little cover there. This just slid back with a little bit of pressure, but this just slid straight back. No screws. No screws at all. Just slid straight back. And then the stand just has this little unlock right there, and it just comes right off. So no screws at all. So it's a nice design there for easy access to that drive, and the RAM would be right here. Yeah, you want to see where the RAM there is, right there under this little cover right there. So easy access for upgrades. So I am a little concerned about the recovery on this, but we'll find out. So in the meantime, I'm just going to throw that drive in there, reinstall Windows, and that's what's going on right here, right now, at PC 911.